See where it was all damaged at? Alright, y'all. So here's the new airbag. We got us some duct tape to hold our lines. We got our breaker bar. We got a 3/4 on there, or either you could use a 19. We got our crescent wrench. So our crescent wrench is gonna be to press these air tabs down right here. Press them in, screw that up out of there. Then you got a bolt right here. And then you got one underneath there, if you can see that one right there. Right there. We're gonna take that one off. And yeah, first we dropped our airbags. You see it's decompressed. So first we dropped all the air out the airbags, and then we're gonna take it out. Take the bolts off, and then we're gonna let it back up, and let the pressure build back up, and then that way we can get it up out of there. All right, so as y'all can see, we crimped the lines. We took the stem out of there, which is right here in my hand. We took the stem out. We crimped the lines so that the air won't come back through. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get our breaker bar, we're gonna break this, and then we're gonna break the one up underneath. All right, y'all, so as you can see, we got it back in there. That's a new one in there. We haven't put the bolt on the bottom yet, and we still got to put the bolt on the top right there. Make sure you get that in them grooves down there. Make sure you got 2 indentions on the top, and then you got 2 prongs or whatever that should go down in those indentions. So make sure that it's flush. So see, make sure that that top right there is flush down on there where it's sitting at on the frame. So then we're gonna connect our air hose right here back. We're gonna connect that back right here, put our air hose back, and then we're gonna take this tape off of these lines. We're gonna take this tape off, and then we're gonna pop it back in. All right, so we got the top back on now. We got it bolted down, got everything bolted down. We got all our lines and stuff connected back right here. Let me see, y'all can get a better angle. Got our lines connected back down in there. All right, and then you see we got our bolts up under here bolted up. So
AKMJ Wells Production.
see where it was all damaged at? It's all damaged on her. Busted right there, busted right there, busted right there. Yeah, man. This is the old one. I know I put that yellow piece back on there, but this is the old one, man. It's no good. So, yeah.